Greetings, good morning. It's Monday. I don't know what the date is, but it's Monday. It's almost 9 o'clock, which is so weird because Summer only came through to our room at like 7 o'clock this morning, which felt like a holiday. Shout out to Summer. Anyway, so today there are a few things we're going to do. First, we're going to go get coffee. Hello. We're going to go get coffee at our favorite coffee shop. Shout out to Plato. It's phenomenal. Summer's watching me. Do you see Mummy? Yeah. And then we are about 6 weeks out from having a child, so I would like to pack the hospital bag today, just with some things that I'm definitely going to need. And I've actually, I've got Daisy's bag sorted out. Well, her goods, which are sorted. I don't have a bag yet, but probably just going to put her stuff in my bag. So yes, that's on the agenda. Oh, then we are going to clean. I don't know what Sean's going to do. He's obviously going to probably have an itch to do some sort of DIY thing, so won't get involved. Yeah, otherwise we're going to get cracking. Hey. Cracking. Here's the current situation for Daisy. These are Willie's, what are they called? Onesies. I've got 3 onesies for her. A bib. Little beanies, yes. Then we've got what is this? Oh, these are like burp cloths. We've got 2 burp cloths. Yep, and we have 1 swaddle blankie and another warm blankie. Swaddle. It's to wrap her up. This was your beanie. Do you know that? We called it a prison beanie because you were so cute. You needed to be locked away. You were so cute. So it's cool that we get to reuse it for summer. It's very special, and that's all I'm taking for her, to be honest. And then this is my going home situation, and I'm gonna pack everything into this bag. That's the goal. Summer, you're so helpful.
This is the most helpful little girl.
Wow.
This way. This way to hang up the washing because Dad's favourite.
Shout out to my veggie garden. This is it's either broccoli or cauliflower, I don't actually know. Tomatoes, baby tomatoes. This is basil. That is peppers, but like the small ones. They're freaking spicy. More basil. This is spinach. That is rosemary. Another baby tomato.
Remember these. Look at my pants, man. They look like granny pants.
They look lovely.
Well, that's my first, they're so bad. Anyway.
More spinach. Very cute. And that is a compost bin. I'm actually really proud. And I used spinach for the first time yesterday in an omelette, and I felt very accomplished. Is that your Elsa dress? Oh. That's cute, eh?
Mom, Dad, put
Yeah?
this on the line.
How well?
Cuter.
Cuter. Daisy's one.
Daisy.
Oh, they have little daisies. Look.
Very cute.
Little Miss Daisy. Where did we get this?
Angie and Villy.
Did they make this?
Got it made, yes.
No way.
Very kind.
That is very cute. Look at all the dead bees, guys. That's not good. There's 4 there. There's another 3, 4 there. Another 1 guy there. It's like they're everywhere. And they're even like on the wall. I don't know what that is. If you know, please let us know in the comments. Shame, I don't want to see them die. Also, our garden needs help. Oh my goodness. Alright, enough of that. Time for some coffee. We always go to Plato Coffee. This is the one in Plato Mshlali. They've got an incredible menu, incredible staff. I love coming to this Plato. I love the detail and the cleanliness of everything. It just looks so good. Got us a little flat white, a little Americano, and a baby chino for summer. Take your one. What do you say? That one.
Why was it so seasonal?
Because I'm Caesar today. Also rocking no shoes because I left my slops in the Berg. Fun times.
After coffee, we then headed to Plato Junction to the Dis-Chem there, which is amazing. I wanted to pack my hospital bag, and there was just a few things that I needed. Got some linen savers, always very helpful, especially as a makeshift changing pad. And some maternity pads because, yes. Next is, I don't actually know what else I need. I think I'm pretty sorted. Maybe just one more bun cream for her nappy bag. And we actually sorted with everything else, which is phenomenal. She's born.
Which ones?
These baby drops that you have to give them from when they're born.
252 rand.
And that's not even the one we need.
Is that all we needed?
Yeah, otherwise we're going to spend too much money.
Got everything that you needed from Dis-Chem.
Yes.
I got some shoes so I don't look like a schoolie anymore.
Breakfast and getting on with the day.
Cleaning.
Minimal. Cleaning, yes.
Like every man's worst nightmare is to go home and clean. But yeah, here we are.
You can just clean the garage.
Okay, let's get. Are we gonna make some breakfast? What are we gonna make?
We're just gonna eat some breakfast and some bacon, and Mom and Sam are gonna make some bacon for a while, then and some bacon and that's all.
Okay. Let's do it, Lolo. Are you ready? Are you gonna help me? And if you have kids, you know this is one of the best feelings in the world. Just the longest hugs, and just so nice having Summer help us out in the kitchen. You pick it up, man. 6.
Yes.
6. Okay, I'm gonna crack them, and then you're gonna whisk them. Okay? Can you count with that? How many is there?
1,
And this one.
2.
Okay, and this one.
Thanks, Daddy.
Okay, Mouse, just keep them inside, okay? Whoa! Don't mess it on your pants, okay? What do you reckon?
Just be careful next time, okay?
Okay, babes. And you cook the eggs. High five.
It's not hot.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
And Daddy and Summer will make a nice breakfast yesterday to eat with a pancake and stuff.
So I have to clean this garage. I don't want to, but I have to. Man, I don't know if you're anything like me, but when I get started on something, I literally go until everything is done. It's like a problem that I have. That's why I hate cleaning. If I see something that's dirty, I've got to go and clean it now. It's the worst thing in the world because it's like just never ending. But I'm really glad I got to clean the garage. Let's see how the rest of this goes. So let's see what Jordy's up to.
Doing all the flowers to make another arrangement.
Oh, beautiful. I've got a bunch of stuff that I want to do in the garage. So I might go and spend some money that we don't have. So while I shot out to builders to go and buy some wood for the garage, George and Summer took the moment to redecorate some of these flowers and lay them out, and yeah, take a moment to clean the room. So Summer's room. I love watching Summer just kind of mimic her mom. It's so awesome to see. She's got her little golf clubs set out and she's like acting like she's vacuuming as well with her little earmuffs on. It's so sweet. Anyway, it's so good to see a family kind of just doing the thing and getting stuff done, and Jordan, even as she's pregnant, smashing it. All right, got the wood. Now, time to go and make the garage look a little bit cleaner. Okay, so wood's here. I'm going to take that piece and put it along here like this. And then hang all of our gardening stuff there. Okay, I'm going to spray this black along with the other ones. Just like this. I think it's better. I like this better. So if you know me, one thing is going to lead to the next. You know, I was just cleaning the garage and here I am putting on a whole piece of wood to hang up our bicycles and our gardening stuff. So I found that putting the center screw in first and then turning the piece of wood and then marking the holes works pretty easily, and I think it came out straight. I think it looks pretty good too. Now what I'm going to do is just drill some more holes and put some hooks in where I can hang all summer's 17,000 bicycles, which I think came out pretty cool. You can see them going on here, and they're just simple hooks that you can buy at Builders, which is really great. And then putting up some more hooks and some smaller hooks as well, so that I can start to hang all of our gardening gear, our gardening gloves, and all the rest of it. Done that one. I think it's not pretty, but it's gonna do the job, which is fine. Got the gardening stuff there, Summer's bike's there, and there's one more bike that needs to go up here. And then I still need to do another one over there for all of our Sunny and Bear things. And then I'll be done. But for now, I'm going to call it a day because it's been a long one. And I'm going to go spend some time with my family. Catch you in a bit. Family is so important. And so on the back end of the day, we take a moment to go for a little walk. Summer takes her bike, cruises around. George and I have a quick moment, just to say hi and to make sure that we still love each other. And we also just closed off the night with having some friends over, spoke about life, leadership, church, and all the rest of it. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. We'll catch you on the next one.